The chore of labelling your child's uniform just got easier with Trutex iron-on name tapes. They're easy to apply and won't fade, peel off or fray. Simply follow these simple instructions. Firstly, locate the place you want to add the label, usually around the neck of the top or waistband of skirts and trousers. You'll need to set your iron to dry mode without any water, an 130 to 170 degree temperature, usually the middle or wool setting. Hold the iron flat on the name tape, avoiding any steam holes, and hold in place for 10 to 15 seconds. Don't move the iron around, but hold in one place firmly. Next, allow the garment and label to cool. Usually a couple of minutes will do. Then repeat the iron press and cool 2 to 3 times. Now you'll have secure name tapes that'll last all year.